What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, make sure you take a second and smash that subscribe button down below. So today's video is a video that I've been looking forward to making for quite some time now, but a video that I'm not looking forward to make at the same time. The reason that I'm not looking forward to making this video is because it's going to take a ton of work, probably a full day, maybe even going into the second day. Today we are going to be installing the clutch. For those of you that don't know, I did purchase the XTREME clutch. I purchased the ceramic version, which is a 6-putt version of the clutch. So pretty much it can handle more torque. So right now I'm going to be heading over to my buddy's house. We're using his garage. He's going to be helping me with the whole process. So big thank you to him. I really appreciate it. And like I said, I've been looking forward to installing this clutch, but at the same time I'm not looking forward to it because I know it's going to be a ton of work, but at the end of the day it's going to be worth it. So let's get going. This thing is toast.
The hard part is done, bro.
Looks so pretty. Transmission's going back in. The clutch is now properly bled. Alright, you guys, so everything is pretty much put back together on the RS. You guys see that box right there? That's the last thing waiting to go on, but that's going to be a separate video. I will reveal it in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you think this new Xclutch is going to perform. And let me know what you think is in that box. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash.